Can you really make some extra cash filming short videos? Find out next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to talk about a online money making opportunity that is based around getting paid to make short videos. Now, I'm gonna keep it real. It's a company out there. I'm actually signed up with. It's called Product Tube. All right, Product Tube. Their whole thing is, hey, earn $50 to $80 for 1 hours of work. 1 hour worth of work every month. Earn up to $50 to $80 a month. Now you might be thinking, man, I'm done with this video. $50 a month? What I'm gonna do with that? Well, in some cases, you can buy some. You can pay your phone bill. You could go out to dinner. You can go to the movies and the dinner. That's what you could do with that. You know what I mean? To be honest with you. Um, but that's nice and all. But okay, so is it worth joining Product Tube? All right. So my honest, super honest opinion on it, Product Tube is cool on the level of. All right, I'm back. That was my mama calling, so I had to take that. But anyway, as I was saying, in regards to Product Tube, I signed up with the site and everything, and I will say you get a ton, at least I get a ton of invites, right, to try out these products because the company is all about. I forgot to say this. Product Two basically is a site we sign up for, and they send you invites to make like go to different stores and make videos of different products, and you basically do a video review to a degree. They give you the instructions of what they want for each project, but basically you have to go find a product and do a video about it, either on it or talk about it. And they actually that's how you earn from the site. So back to what I was saying, I signed up with them. Have I ever got paid from them? No. But do I have a lot of invites from this company? Yeah, like I get at least like 2 or 3 a day. And I ain't gonna lie, a lot of them I ignored them because I'm busy with other stuff, but because I just wanted to see what the site was about. But a lot I've ignored. But the few that I have actually, clicked on and went through the process, you do have to qualify for each project. That's something a lot of people that talk about this program they don't really talk about. They just say, "Oh, get paid to record videos and blah blah blah." Um, I haven't qualified for any of them yet. They'll ask you like 5 to 6 questions about whatever the project is, and then they'll sit there and say, "Are you qualified? Or are you not qualified?" So far, I do get a lot of invites from this site, but I haven't qualified. I tried maybe 3 to 4 times to qualify for a project, and I haven't qualified yet. But maybe I'll try a couple other times whenever I'm bored as just dirt. Um, but one other thing, they say you can make $50 to $80 extra a month doing this, but when you look on the site, it says you get it in Amazon gift cards. Now, I do a lot of shopping on Amazon, and maybe you can take that money and maybe buy it. Maybe you could buy a Visa card or buy an Amazon, buy a Master. What am I saying? Buy a Visa card or prepaid card or something with your gift card. But like, I don't see where that's like cash. I could be wrong. I don't see where they're giving you cash for doing these projects. All I see on the website, they're saying you get paid with Amazon gift cards. But like I said, maybe you can buy like a Visa card or something like that. Or I'm sure there is something that you can find on Amazon to buy, but that's not the same thing as having pure cash, right? So, um, Product Tube is definitely worth signing up for. If you're looking for a way to just you're bored, you got some extra time on your hand, maybe at your job or something, you get these invites. If you qualify for them, maybe on your way home from your job or your friend's house or whatever, you can go capture whatever the product is that they need. Now, I will say this: some of these projects, I mean, they do say you get paid, $10 for this project, $20 for this project. So maybe they do give you gift cards worth $10. I don't know. But when you get the emails, they'll say new project, $20, or one I even seen for 100. I didn't even click on it, but one I did see for 100. Um, Maybe I didn't even qualify for it. I don't know, but so it's worth a shot. You know what I'm saying? The whole thing about $50 to $80 a month, that could be if you qualify for the for the actual project. You know what I mean? Take that into account. But that's my take on ProductTube and getting paid for shooting short videos. All right. So if you checked out ProductTube, I'll put a link to it. You can check it out for yourself below. Also, you will find other my recommended money making opportunities, things that I'm doing that I currently do. You can check those out. And if you try ProductTube, you make some money, come back, comment below, let other people know that it is good to go. All right, give us a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.